So hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel here. It's Sir Prank with you guys today. So today I'll be showing you guys how to perfectly clean your Xbox controller. And as you guys can see, this is my really old controller with like dust and like dirty bits on it. And today I'll be showing you guys how to perfectly clean this controller. So before the video begins, you would need ingredients and like list of like equipment, not ingredients. So what you want is cotton swabs, if that's how you call it, alcohol spray, and a toothpick from like anywhere. Just get one. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is obviously you want to get your controller. So first step, what you want to do is you want to spray the controller with alcohol. Don't just like spray it evenly and like make it like moisturized, like a bit wet but not too wet. It's kind of wet, to be honest. Oh, okay, anyways, after that, what you want to do is you want to let it dry for like 30 seconds. Oh yeah, and what you want is tissue as well. I'll get some tissue. Okay guys, so I got my tissue. Just like get like some tissue, and after 30 seconds what you want to do is you want to get the tissue and wipe off the wet parts of the controller. Just like make it dry. Just wipe it, and don't make it completely dry. Just like wipe evenly, like make it a bit moisture. Yeah, I think that'll do. Yeah. So after that, what you want to do is you want to get your toothpick, and what you want to do is you want to scrape off these dirty like bits of dust, I think. And what you want to do is you want to gently scrape off the sides of the joystick. Scrape off these dirty bits. Just get it with your hand. I'm sorry. And put it on tissue. Just scrape off gently. Don't overuse power, or else it will damage the joystick. Okay. And I can't clean the side because it's broken. Okay, there we go. And use tissue to scrape off the dirty dust bits. And there you go. It's clean. There we go. So after that, you just want to gently wipe off dust around it. Yeah, and there we go. First step done. Okay, so secondly, what you want to do is you want to get your toothpick again, and you see these like I don't know, gaps between the controller. I don't know, like what you want to do is you want to get your toothpick again, and you want to scrape the dust in between the gaps and scrape it off from up to down. Just scrape it from the bottom and up. See these dust? Yeah. Just wipe it on your tissue and do the same thing again until everything is gone. Just wipe. I'm sorry. Just wipe it again until you think it's clean, and that will do. What you want to do is you want to do that with all your gaps, like these gaps. Like I have no idea what you call it, but just wipe it off. I mean, like scrape it off. Oh, look at this. Oof. I'll be fast forwarding this because it's kind of a waste of the time. It'll take you about like 2 minutes or a few more. Depends on the dust in the gaps, in between the gaps, I mean. Okay, so guys, I've successfully scraped off all the dirty parts, and last step, what you want to do is you want to get your cotton swabs and like spray some alcohol on it gently and wipe off the sides of the, like, these buttons, the triggers. Yeah, just wipe it off. And wipe it off once more. And you want to hold the trigger. And okay, wipe the gaps as well. Okay, I'm sorry guys, so let's get back to the video. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you want to get your cotton swabs again and use the other side of the cotton swab and spray it with alcohol. And you want to, last but not least, clean the trackpad, D-pad thingy, I don't know what you call it. Scrape off the sides and scrape and like clean it. See, there's dirt and go around these I don't know, these joints of the joystick. I don't know how you say it, but just like swipe it around, because dust also get in those joints. And after that, you want to clean the button, these buttons, around these buttons. And what you have to do as well is to clean these side parts of the where you store your batteries. I don't know what you call this again. and get your toothpick again and scrape off these like dusts kind of things. Scrape off all sides. And here as well. And last but not least, so wipe it again with your cotton swabs. Okay, so get your thing and click it back in, and there we go. Brand new controller here. Wipe off like unwanted dust, and yeah, so that's it. The controller is not perfectly clean, but like clean overall, and the next time you have to clean it again would probably be like half a year later, I guess. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, comment down below. So yeah, that's the end of the video. See you guys next time, and remember to subscribe and like and share to your friends if they have the same problem. Yeah, and catch you guys soon.